Kihuhũkanio nĩ kĩambĩrĩirie bunge-inĩ ya kaunti ya Nairobi gatagatĩ ka MCAs a kiama kia UDA na Ngabana Johnson Sakaja igũrũ rĩgiĩ wamũrani iturwa-inĩ itiganite. MCAs a UDA arĩa nĩo anini bunge-inĩ ĩno marauga Sakaja ũrĩa wathirwo na tigiti wa UDA rĩu ararutithania wĩra na kiama kia Azimio agitiganiria arunake kiama-inĩ kia UDA.
Amepromise kurekebisha na kutuhusisha, lakini kwa vile inavyoonekana hako tayari kuanza kufanya kazi na mtu yoyote.
Makirekereria ndũmĩrĩri yao bunge-inĩ ya kaunti ĩno, MCAs aya matongoretio nĩ mũtongoria wa arĩa anini Anthony Kirago na mũhiũria wa mũcarisha Mark Macharia maugite Sakaja nĩ yakĩrĩte mĩhaka na rĩu makamũria eyeherie macokeire feini angĩkorwo ndaiganĩire UDA.
So like now in this Christmas season, workers in Nairobi County are going without their salaries. They have no money, they have not been paid. This has never happened in the history of this city. Our parents and the students who are going to school in January, there will be no bursaries.
Bukirira ici iciokete thikũ nini kuma mũnini wa president Rigathi Gachagua okirira mawatho marĩa thirikari ya Sakaja ĩkoretwo ĩkĩgathĩka wa ica ikuhĩ arĩ kũhamũrithia matatũ cia ũkui wa mũingĩ gatagatĩ ka mũciĩ wa Nairobi, ũndũ ũrĩa Gachagua areganĩte naguo.
Na nimemwambia gavana wa Nairobi tutakaa chini na yeye kwa sababu sisi ndio tulimchagua. Mimi ndio niliketisha Wakikuyu pale Nairobi nikamwambia wamchague. Na nimemuita tukae chini na yeye. Mambo yoyote ambaye anaamua ambaye anaweza haribu biashara katika Nairobi, kwanza tuongee tukubaliane. Hatutaki speed mingi sana, twende pole pole. Si ndio? Hiyo maneno ati ya kutoa matatu nini, hiyo maneno haiwezekani.
We are also independent of what Deputy President said, although he is correct. He is correct. Voting is on tribal lines in this country, and we had a lot of work to convince the people of our community to vote for Sakaja.
Ũmũthĩ MCAs a UDA nĩ mangathĩirie gĩikaro gĩa gũthũrima amwe arĩa mamũrĩtwo iturwa-inĩ itiganĩte makiuga matikinyanĩire ikĩro.
Kenya Kwanza is not part and parcel of performing any illegality in this house, because passing one Lucky Ogutu Okudo is an illegality that we will not entertain in this county.
Lakini pia tunamwambia kama chama cha UDA tunataka kuhusishwa kwa sababu walitumia bendera yetu kutafuta kiti. Na kama anasema alichaguliwa na watu wa Nairobi, tunaweza muomba awachane na bendera yetu, arudi kwa kiwanja, achaguliwe sasa. That is what we want to say.
Maya magithiaga na mbere gĩikaro gĩa gũthũrima seneta wa kwamũrwo wa Karen Nyamu nĩ kĩrarĩirio nginyagia mwaka tũrorete thutha wa Karen kwandĩkĩra kĩama gĩkĩ akiuga heo ihinda.
We have granted her request for more time. So this matter, together with others that are pending before the disciplinary committee of the UDA party, shall be heard on the 20th of January 2022 at 9 a.m. The senator has been advised by way of this letter. She shall be able to prepare her response, probably get an advocate to act for her in the matter if she so wishes, and then we shall be able to convene as a full committee, hear the matter, and give our recommendations to the National Executive Council.
Nyamu acukĩirwo gũthiĩ mũgarũ na mendekithia ma gĩcunjĩ kĩa 6 gĩa gatiba kĩgĩmaine na ũrũngĩrĩru wa mĩtugo ya atongoria wa wabici-inĩ ya mũingĩ. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.